Hello my dear friends. In the previous lectures we have seen which are the different theories related to the acid, bases, as well as we also seen what is the pK value, what is the pKb value. Now in this lecture we will discuss regarding the factors affecting the strength of acids as well as base. Before that we need to see some basic things, just like suppose I have one acid that is Ha, and at equilibrium it will be dissociated as H plus and A minus, H plus and A minus. Now here Ha is acid and this one is the conjugate base. All the things are related to the stability of conjugate base. Suppose this one is the left, actually this one is the left hand side, this one is the right hand side. If the reaction is processed from left hand to the right hand side, that means dissociation, and from right hand to the left hand side it means association. So the stronger acid means the acid which dissociating more rapidly in much more extent, that is more the dissociation of acid, stronger will be the acid, stronger it will be called as. So that in order to increase the dissociation, or in order to increase this the strength of acid, we need to focus on the stability of conjugate base. All the things are related to the stability of conjugate base. And in this lecture we are going to study which are the different factors which are associated regarding the strength of acid and strength of base. We will discuss one by one. First of all, we will see strength of Ha bond. Strength of Ha bond. I will again write the same reaction. This is dissociation, from right to the left association. If dissociation is higher, that means strength of acid will be higher. Now, if this bond is much more stronger, if the bond between hydrogen and A is much more stronger, it will not be easily dissociated. Are you getting? If the strength of this bond is much more higher, the strength is high, then this bond will be or will not be break easily. So that if the strength of this bond is high, then dissociation will be difficult. So that if the strength of Ha bond is increased, then the acidity will be decreased, because if the strength is higher, then it will not break easily, and these two ions will not be easily dissociated. So the strength of acid is increases. Sorry, the strength of Ha bond is increases. The acidity will be increased, and pK value will be decreased. Second part is electronegativity of A. Electronegativity of this A and electronegativity of this A minus, that is conjugate base. Electronegativity is nothing but the ability of a particular ion to hold the electron towards itself. the ability of a particular ion to hold the electron, a particular electron, towards itself. Now, as we know that every charge species is somewhat unstable, and all the things in the universe are tends towards the stability. And if the charge increases, stability decreases. If the charge increases, stability decreases, and if the charge decreases, stability increases. Here, HA is get dissociated as H plus and A minus. A is having higher charge. A is having higher charge. If this charge is get decreased, if the charge get decreased, then the stability will get increased. That means dissociation, the reaction will be transferred from left to the right hand side. That means it will force the reaction to get dissociate easily, so that its A minus should be lower for the reaction to work as a strong acid. So if the negative, as the electronegativity of A is increases, as the electronegativity of A is increases, it will hold this negative charge towards itself, and it will not have any affection with this positive charge. Both charge will separate from each other. Both ions will be separate from each other because of the electronegativity of A is higher. If A is having higher electronegativity, it will hold this negative charge towards itself, and then the affinity between these opposite charge ions will be decreased, and if the attraction is get decreased, then if dissociation is increases, and reaction will show as higher towards higher acidity. Okay. If the dissociation get increases. In short, if the electronegativity of A is increases, then acidity of the reaction or the dissociation of this reaction get increases. If the acidity increases, then pK value will be a decrease. We will see the next factor. Next factor is stability of conjugate base. Stability of this conjugate base. Here H is acid and A minus is a conjugate base. If its stability gets increases, if its stability gets increased, as we know that every ion, every radical wants to get stable itself just by completing its octet and other things. So if this conjugate stability of this conjugate basis increases, then its attraction between these opposite charge get decreases. As we know that there is attraction between opposite charge particle. Positive charge and negative charge will have always attraction towards itself, towards each other. So if its stability gets increases, then its attraction between two opposite charge radical ions will decrease, and it will help to dissociate H plus and A minus. But how this stability of